Hey Holly, how you like the Superstar Life? You're on YouTube now. Did you know that? We both are. So we're famous. You like that? She's already going, oh, look at that white beard. She could be Santa Claus's dog. She's not. She's too good for that. Look at that big belly. Oof. Come here, you wanna play tug of war? You wanna play tug of war? Come.
I found money in the couch.
Right there. Okay.
I'm gonna put tug of war. Does it matter if like heads like the back of it show?
Move it to a different view. Okay, you're really gonna have to move this time.
I'll be the camera guy.
Okay, then be the camera guy. Come on. We gotta wait for our cameraman. Okay, just video us.
Get y'all.
Come on, skip. Come on.
Sorry, I slipped.
You feel like an old lady.
She is one.
There you go. No, you open your mouth and you close it like that. Oh. Oh! That hurt very bad. Look at it.
Say cheese. Oh.
Okay, you're not playing tug of war very good. You're not playing tug of war.
I can't even see anything but black.
She loves getting her ears rubbed.
That was her nose.
And it when you kiss.